To find the basic course information like the course title, days, dates, location, time, credits, and CRN or course registration number, get into My MCC, click on the Faculty or Instructor tab, go to your faculty dashboard, and click on the class you're interested in. If you can't see the class, go ahead and click on Preferences, and then choose the number of rows that are showing, or you can also choose what term it starts from so that you can make sure to see all your classes. So for this syllabus, I'm working on Web Design 1, so I'll click here. And then I'm going to point out where I got all of this information. So the course title, it's important to note that you need to have the prefix with the designated course number. And then this 3-digit number helps the Office of Instruction and other departments know things like what type of course it is or what center it's located at. So make sure you include that. So I found that right here, MGD 141-101 Web Design 1. And then this number, this 12011, is the course registration or CRN number. Then we have the course credits, 3. The time is 1:30 to 3. Days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Location, Cottonwood 102. Date range is August 20th to October 19th. And I have that in 2 places on here just because I feel like they like to see the date range up here. You don't have to have it in 2 different places. But that's where you find the basic information. Now, the contact hours are in another tutorial video, and there's also one more video on how to find the different course dates to finish out all this kind of course information.